Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking. I must be crazy. This is EcoFlow Delta Pro water resistance cover. So this fits actually over your EcoFlow Delta Pro, and it's supposed to be waterproof, dustproof. It kind of protects your unit if you're outside, and like right now it's drizzling. I don't know any reason you should have this outside. I guess if you tent camping and or RVing and you want to put it outside for a little bit, but this actually covers the entire thing. From We're gonna go all the way around. You can see this little flaps it have on the side, so it could still vent right here. It has this little velcro latch that comes down. You just kind of put it right here. Tires are out, everything is protected. It's designed in a way that all the water runs off and over. You have a little screen right here, so you could still see all your data. You open the bottom, your wire would tuck underneath right here, so it still stays dry, but you do have the ability of opening up and access your plugs. Close it like this and keep everything nice and dry. Towards the back, your plug has the same thing. Open this, you can access all your plugs, charging ports. If you have to hook up a smart battery, this would still be covered and zipped. I like the zippers because they're all sealed. When you close real tight, nothing's gonna show. This right here goes over on the top. Open that up. Has a little pouch so you can keep all your cables in there. And it zips back. I have it on the pallet. I would always recommend elevating that if you're going to do something like this. If you're brave enough. I just wanted to show you it outside real quick in some light rain. I'm not going to be the one to show it outside in heavy rain. Not mine. This is my personal EcoFlow. So I think light rain is the most I'll do. Pull this up. Velcro right here. That's the stand. And boom, it would close. This actually fits the smart battery exactly the same. The only difference is you don't have to open up the smart battery because the smart battery does not vent on the side. Okay. All right, guys. Tell me what you think about this EcoFlow Delta Pro water resistant, waterproof, dust proof cover. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it on mine. Actually, it prevents it from being scratched, and even when I store it in my RV and stuff rubs against it, I like the fact that it won't get my EcoFlow scratched. And just moving around, you still have access to your handles, by the way, right here. So it does not impede your access to the handle. You could still reach your hands under here, and that's your handle where you could pick it up. And the other one on the back, right here, still have access to your handles. I'm going to show you guys how it goes on. We're going to do that on the inside and put one on and take it off and show you how it works. Real quick video, EcoFlow waterproof cover. You just come right here, pick this up, and you can get your data. And remember, if you have the remote control, even better. You don't even have to come out here and look at this thing. I recommend if you're going to use this, it would be under your RV cover and just to prevent the heavy water, wind, dust from getting inside your unit. Okay? And put it on something. Keep it up off the water. Another thing is you still have access to your handle. Okay? Still have access to your handle. Everything you can do with the cover off, you can do it with this cover. And it goes on and off easy, and it fits real tight. It fits on there. Even if you don't plan on leaving your EcoFlow Delta Pro outside in the rain, you just want to move it. Let's say you're going from the campsite to wherever you're going, the car to the cabin, you could still have this on there so it doesn't get wet while it's being transported. See? So you'd have your stuff protected, covered, and you don't have to worry about it getting wet. So it could be used as a like a travel case, something to keep the dust and the rain off of it. See? So you could just use it for traveling. That way, while you're moving, if it's raining, you don't have to worry about it getting wet. Oh, one more thing I forgot to show you. I showed you the front, I showed you the side. I did not show you the side cover, side access. Look, you can still access your side right here. There you go. You can still access everything. And your quick charge on the bottom. There you go. I think that's everything. I missed that one. Just remembered. Okay, guys, let's get it inside and I can show you how I take it off. And I'll just show you how I put it on. Okay? Now I can show you exactly how I put this thing on and take it off. We're going to show you how we take it off on the one we just had. This is the inverter. Guess what this is? This is a smart battery. So it fits exactly the same. The only difference on the smart battery is right here, you don't have any vents. Okay, so you don't need to open up the side. This one has vents because it's the inverter. It has vents on each side. And that little handle I told you, it kind of fits up like this. Just go up here and pull it off from the bottom. Put it like this. Okay? Okay, guys, so you have your inverter sitting sideways. First thing you want to do is tilt it up to the back. Once you have it up, you look, come right here. There's two velcro straps. One on the front. Take that off. One on the bottom, in the middle. Take that one off. You come to the side. Right here, you see the zipper. Come right here to the top. Zip this all the way down. Once you get the zipper off, you're good. Right here, there's another velcro. Take that off. Flip it up. Come right here to the top. Pull the top down. Once you took the top off, just tilt it back up. That's it. It's off. Put it back on. The way I tell the front is I look for the clear screen. Once you see the clear screen, you know that's the front. Putting it back in, you'll start from the bottom. So you identified your front clear screen. Just come right here, put it like this, slide it over. It's nice and tight. Get it nice and straight, level. Okay, come around, tuck this under. Remember that Velcro I showed you? Kind of pull that up. Get that tacked in right there. There you go. Get that Velcro on the bottom right here. At that point, you'll get your zipper secured. Zipper up. Close this. Pick it up. Front Velcro. Bottom Velcro. You're done. That's it. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you put the EcoFlow cover on. See, everything's on real simple. It'll probably take you about a minute. Put this thing on and take it off. Once it's on there, it's tight fit and looks great. Protective and looks great. Would I recommend you putting this in full rain? Absolutely not. Can you use it in drizzle while you're transporting it? And maybe it's under your awning. You just want to power something real quick? Yeah, sure. EcoFlow, Delta Pro, and Smart Battery. waterproof, and dust cover. All right, guys, if you like this video, as usual, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and please, guys, subscribe to the channel. If you've been watching the video, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's not charging you anything. It gets YouTube to send you the video and keep you watching. Guys, thanks for watching my channel. Have a great day. Bye.